how to beat the Arizona heat. The age-old question: chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? Hey, Aaron.
Yes.
Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
Chocolate.
Bam! Hey, Robin.
Yes.
Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
Chocolate.
Bam! Bro, chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? Bam!
Okay. Well, what's up?
Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
Probably have to go for it.
Bam! Hey, Blake. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
Chocolate.
Bam! Hey, Ryan. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
Slushy. Blue raspberry. Cherry.
There's always one in the crowd.
Bam! Right on.
Hey, Jeremy. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? Bam! Hey, Kevin. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
Strawberry.
Bam!
You're welcome.
Hey, Pete.
Hey, what's up, man?
Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? Bam!
Oh my god.
Hey, Glenn.
Yeah.
Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
Oh, chocolate, man.
Bam!
Woo! Hey, Alan.
Yeah?
Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry?
Strawberry.
Wow. Bam!
Yeah!